how to fix Valorant VGK.SYS blue screen error on your Windows. So if you want to fix Valorant VGK.SYS blue screen error on your Windows, then what you need to do is just watch this video. This issue usually appears due to system permissions, conflicts, or security settings. But don't worry, we will fix this right away. So let's begin. First, you need to locate the VK file on your PC. So click on your Start menu, and then you can go with this PC, or you can just simply open up your File Explorer and go with this PC. Now here you need to go with local disk C. Under that, you need to just simply go with your program files. And then I want you to scroll down and look for the Riot Vanguard. So currently, I don't have Valorant on my PC, but let's pretend that this is the Riot folder. So you just need to simply right click on it and then choose the properties option. If you don't find properties, you can go with show more options and go with properties, which will be on the bottom. And now you need to go with the security tab and make sure that you have the admin rights. Select your account and allow all the boxes to give permissions. Once done, you need to click on apply and again make sure that you're on the correct account. And then we need to move on to the next step. So you need to go ahead and just go with your Windows search bar and look up for Windows Security. Once you find, you need to click on Windows Security. Then we need to go with the device security and then click on the core isolation details. Make sure memory integrity is turned off. Usually this is on by default, so make sure that this is turned off. If the problem still persists, then we need to go to the step number 3. So go with your Windows PowerShell. You can also search for Windows PowerShell. After that, we need to run a command. So the command goes like bsd edit space / set space hypervisor launch type space off. After that, hit the enter. And it might take a few minutes to run this command. And you might need to restart your computer to make sure that the effects will show up immediately in your PC. And finally, you can open up your Windows run command by pressing Windows plus R keys together. Or you can also go with your control panel. So search for control panel, and then you can go with uninstall a program, or you can search for add or remove programs, and go with turn Windows features on or off. And make sure that your Hyper-V is unchecked. Scroll down and you may have a virtual machine option. Make sure that the virtual machine platform or Windows Hypervisor platform is also disabled. Make sure to click on apply and close. Close everything and restart your computer. And that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.